This is the Archon GPS holder. It's a water resistant holder. It's able to fit for GPS, and featured here is a HTC smartphone, and this is in low light condition. Okay, the quality of the Archon seems to be okay. The mount is very simple and appears to be sturdy. I will be doing a on the bike video later on in the morning, also to see how the GPS is visible in the morning, but this is mostly for the phone itself. As you can see, it's 360 degrees, so basically what that means is you can just turn this around. Okay, and it's up to you whether you prefer this orientation or the other orientation. It's not too intrusive. If I put it this way, I'm able to see the meter display, the important info, the speed, the fuel time clock. Alright, so now I'm going to remove the GPS holder, and I'll let you see what it looks like without the GPS holder. Okay, so basically what you're left is with just a base mount. Okay, right, and the holder itself, it's the mount is basically like this, right? And this is the screw, or what you call this, the lock ring, which you will put in first over the ball joint, and you will affix this onto the ball joint and lock it in with the threads along the side here. And it seems pretty sturdy. We'll check how it works, how much it shakes or not when we are riding, when I'll do a ride video on that.